Hello, I'm Diya Pant, a student of Ganit. I studied here for my CAT, and believe me, it changed my life. I cleared CAT because of that. I had not studied mathematics since 10th grade, and I was able to get 90 plus percentile in the quant sectional. And it is just God sent. Ankit sir is the best professor I've had. Hriday sir, the classes that he took were so good that I was able to clear IIM Ahmedabad, which is unimaginable for me. Thank you so much. Thank you.